Progress is moving right along at the 6,000 square foot occupied renovation. MEP, FP, HVAC, and drywall installations are nearing completion. A special thank you to Napa Electrical Contractors for their exceptional work and dedication in helping us reach this point in the project. Their expertise, consistent communication, and collaboration have been invaluable in maintaining momentum on this cafe refresh. Flooring, millwork, and kitchen equipment installation are up next.